In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to list an auction on eBay. Whether you're a seasoned seller or brand new to the platform, this guide will help you navigate the listing process with ease and confidence. So let's dive right in and start by logging into your eBay account. This will be your home base for all your selling activities. Once you've logged in, head over to My eBay and then click on Selling. This section is tailored specifically to your selling needs and you'll find all the tools necessary right at your fingertips. Look toward the top of the page and you'll see a tab labeled Listings. Click on that and you'll find an option to create listing. Now this is the moment you begin crafting your auction. Enter what you're selling into the provided space. For instance, if you're planning to auction a vintage camera, simply type vintage camera. eBay's intelligence system will suggest a category for your item, which often speeds up the process, but don't worry, you can also choose a category manually if the suggested one doesn't quite fit. Next up is filling in your listing details. This is an essential part of your auction creation as it provides all the relevant information that potential buyers will need. You should create a captivating title that clearly describes what you're selling. Remember, your title helps in drawing attention and in searches, so make it engaging and precise. Photos are crucial too. Upload multiple images showing your item from different angles. A picture is worth 1,000 words, as they say, and good quality photos can significantly boost your auction's appeal. You'll then need to fill in the item specifics such as condition, brand, size, and any other relevant details that will enable potential buyers to make an informed decision. Your goal here is to be transparent and detailed to avoid any misunderstandings. In the description section, provide a thorough narrative of your item. This is your chance to really sell it, so highlight its best features and any unique characteristics. Now move over to the pricing section. Under Selling Format, select Auction. This is where the excitement builds as you set your starting bid. You can also add an optional Buy It Now price if you're open to immediate sales at a fixed price. Consider carefully the duration of your auction. You can select from 3, 5, 7 or even 10 days. Shorter durations might lead to quicker sales, but longer durations often attract more attention and potentially higher bids. Finally, complete the rest of the listing details. Carefully review everything to ensure accuracy and completeness. Once you're satisfied that all information is correct and captivating, click List It. And with that, your auction is live for the eBay world to see. Happy selling, and may your auction bring in plenty of interested bidders.